Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Radeon RX 7900 GRE TUF White graphics card. So friend, this particular TUF GRE model is primarily aimed at the Chinese market and it follows the launch of TUF White series which accompanied the introduction of Radeon RX 7800 XT and 7700 XT cards. And friend, this card marketed at debut of ASUS new white cooling design and the RX 7900 GRE seems to be second Radeon GPU using this aesthetic. And friend, it closely resembles the design of RX 7800 XT and the card maintains a thickness of 3 slots, measuring 32 cm in length, 151 cm in width, and mirroring the dimensions of RX 7800 XT design. And friend, comparatively well placed against the RX 7900 XTX and XT2F models, this card is 3 cm shorter and 0.6 slots thinner. And friend, this variant features a Navi 31XL GPU equipped with 5120 stream processor, comparable in size to the Navi 32 package, maintains identical memory specification with 16 GB GDDR6 across a 256-bit interface, and the launch of RX 7900 GRE should not come as a surprise, but the specification and power similar to the 7800 XT. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.